Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply for a tourist visa to travel to Peru. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video at your own risk. So guys, the very first thing you should check is whenever you try to apply for any kind of visa for any country, is do you actually need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that you may or may not have, you may not actually need a visa. And when you check for these requirements and process, always check as per the official entity of the destination country that covers your residential area, because based on that there could be additional documents, steps, etc. Okay, so in front of you I have opened this embassy of Peru in India section on their official government website, where they have given information about tourist visa. Okay, now it has to be completed 15 calendar days before your trip so that things go smoothly. So for Indian for application submitted in India, these are the requirements. You need your passport with minimum validity of 6 months after expected date of arrival. Personal interview that you're gonna schedule after you submit your application personally at the embassy, and you get an acknowledgement email with the link to schedule. Copy of Aadhaar card, photocopy of front and back of passport, to DGC 005 form. This will go through. It has to be in block letters. Okay, 3 recent colored passport size photograph, specification given, cover letter. If you are employed, you need an NOC furnished by an employer, round trip ticket itinerary, what you're gonna do there, hotel reservations or any accommodation that you have there. You need your financial proof, also bank statement, fixed deposits. Okay, first income tax return, ITR form 16 if applicable. Okay, if you have a sponsored trip, then you need a guarantee letter. And if you're a national of Bangladesh, Nepal or Sri Lanka, you also need to produce a police clearance certificate. Cost is 3000 rupees in cash, and I would highly recommend go with the exact fee. So you have to go there, submit this. They have given the time. Once you get to that, you get an email where there's a link to schedule your appointment for personal interview, and based on that your processing begins, and then they are gonna decide. Okay, now when we are clear about all the process, let's go to the form. Remember, two forms. Okay, let's open it. Okay, now this section on top is for internal use, don't worry about that. Type of visa, so they have tourist. Okay, so whatever is like, just put a check here. Next, there for each category there's a box, so put a check here. General, passport number. Okay, surname, middle name, first name, your status, single, married, whatever it is, place of birth, nationality, all this should match with your passport. And remember, you need 2 copies. Don't have 2 copies with different set of data, that won't look good. Date of birth, your profession, gender, full address in Peru, phone number, permanent address, country, phone, your photo, signature. Okay, right hand index finger impression. Of course you can buy an ink pad and do this. This section 4 is for official use only, don't worry about it. Okay. And you need 2 copies of this. So with this you can go there and submit it, your application. Once you submit, Of course, with 3,000 rupees fee, you get an email with the link to schedule your appointment for interview. Once you do that, you get through it. Based on your location, there could be additional documents, additional steps too. For example, for India, you saw that they are asking for Aadhaar card, ITR Form 16. So these are specific to India. In other countries, that won't be there. Instead, that will have their own documents. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.